If you're looking for a powerhouse gaming desktop that combines cutting-edge performance with sleek design, the iBUYPOWER Slate 8 MESH Gaming PC is a fantastic choice. Before starting, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Designed to cater to gamers and professionals alike, this PC delivers on all fronts: speed, graphics, storage, and future-ready connectivity. Performance beyond expectations. At its core, the Intel Core i7-14700F CPU ensures blistering performance with a perfect balance of speed and multitasking capabilities. With 20 cores and a clock speed that can turbo up to 5.2 GHz, this processor is built to handle gaming, streaming, video editing, and other demanding tasks effortlessly. The star of the show is undoubtedly the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super GPU. With 12 GB of dedicated VRAM, this graphics card brings stunning visuals, ray tracing capabilities, and AI-enhanced performance. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA games or exploring the immersive worlds of VR, this GPU ensures lag-free, ultra-smooth gameplay with vivid details and realistic lighting. Unmatched speed and storage. Equipped with 16GB DDR5 5200 MHz RAM, this PC ensures smooth multitasking and faster data processing compared to older generations of DDR RAM. Paired with a 2TB NVMe SSD, you'll enjoy ultra-fast load times, seamless application launches, and ample space for your growing library of games, software, and media. Modern connectivity and features. The Wi-Fi-ready functionality keeps you connected to the internet without a hitch, ensuring low-latency gaming and quick downloads. Running on Windows 11 Home, you'll have access to the latest features, an optimized interface, and a streamlined gaming experience. The mesh chassis design is not just about aesthetics. It provides excellent airflow to keep your system cool during intense gaming sessions, while its sleek, modern look makes it a stunning centerpiece for any setup. Why choose the iBUYPOWER Slate 8 Mesh? Superior gaming performance. The RTX 4070 Super and i7-14700F CPU combo offer unparalleled power for gaming and productivity. Ample future-proof storage. With 2TB NVMe SSD, you won't run out of space anytime soon. Elegant and efficient design. The mesh design enhances airflow while maintaining a modern aesthetic. Ready for anything, from gaming to professional work, this desktop handles it all. Conclusion. The iBUYPOWER Slate 8 MESH Gaming PC SMI7N47S01 is a no-compromise solution for gamers and creators who demand high performance, stunning visuals, and reliable operation. With top-of-the-line components, it provides exceptional value in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. If you're ready to elevate your gaming or productivity setup, this PC is worth every penny. Highly recommended for anyone looking for a powerhouse desktop that delivers on its promises.